Look at that sauce. Looks good. Smells good. So my water is boiling. And also, guys, put a little bit of oil in your water. And I'm going to add my Himalayan salt. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. To that, I'm going to add my pasta. And you guys know, we showed you we're using whole wheat spaghetti pasta, organic from Trader Joe's. This is great, perfect, simple recipe, especially if you're transitioning. Just leave that in. And the instruction package on here, it says boil 6 to 8 minutes. Even faster than I thought. Okay? Everything goes down. Okay, here I have my spaghetti. It's already been drained. Ooh, look at all the steam. Alright, so you're going to meal prep this. So here's our spaghetti. It's all done. It's great. We're going to get our container and we're going to put our spaghetti in there. And we're going to do the same thing for the sauce as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my container, put it in the refrigerator, close it up like that. As you may see. Alright, my healthy people, so these are sausages, and this is the sausage-less sausage that I'm using. And I'm just going to cut it up. Simple recipe, guys. Simple, easy recipes. And I do have some onions right here, and I do have some spices right there as well. Okay, so we add a little bit of oil. You don't have to put too much, alright? So you're going to add your onions. Oops, we lost one. A few. Maxine's Corner Kitchen. Everything you're going to need in regards to this recipe is in the description box, so do not worry. I'm just trying to show you how to meal prep for weight loss, transitioning, whatever you're doing. This is perfect. Okay? Whatever spices you have in your spice cabinet, that's perfectly fine. I have some Italian spices in here, some adobo, oregano. That's pretty much it. Just add that.
This is a healthy meal you can eat at dinner and lunch.
Okay, so Ava's saying this is a healthy meal that you can have at dinner or lunch. Like I said, perfect for transitioning. Kids won't know that this is vegan. Trust me. Just cook this a little bit. We'll be back once this is all cooked. Okay, Ava, so what are we pouring now?
Sauce.
Okay, so we're pouring our spaghetti sauce. And the spaghetti sauce that I'm using is the organic spaghetti sauce with mushrooms. This is also from Trader Joe's. Mix everything around. And I'm just going to let this come to a simmer and then we'll be done. And it's perfect. So this is exactly what we're looking for. That's our sauce. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and what?